Hello friends, today we are going to see how to insert file path, a path in a Microsoft Word file in 365 or in any format, whether it is of 2007, 2005, 2007, 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, or it could be of 365 also. So let's start. See how to insert file path. So firstly we have to save our file. I have saved my file in this PC D drive. I have made a demo folder and example with the name of example. So here it is. I have made a example file. This is of 20 pages. We had 20 pages over here, and the file name is what is the name of the file? The file name is, okay, I'll show you. The file name is example1. So today we are going to start. So let's see. Firstly we'll go insert. As you can see that I have not given any path yet in any page. Okay, so now start. Go to insert tab and it's a footer option. Footer, we have to go edit footer. Here it came. Let's see, here it is tab are given. So when we push the tab, it came here, and after that there. So firstly we have to remove this one, the tab position. So for this, Alt O T. When we press Alt O T, the tab will be open. Tabs dialog box will open. Now we will clear all. As you can see, it is set over here at 7.96 centimeter, this one, and 15.92 centimeter here, 15.92 centimeter here it is set. So we will clear all and OK. Now it's clear. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go into the quick we'll go in quick parts, then field. Now we will press the F file name. We will press the F. The file name will come here. Select the uppercase, add path to file name. Here I have given add path to file name. Okay, it is selected. Or now press the OK. See here, D drive, folder name is demo file, and the file name is example1, and what is the extension? .docx. This is the extension of the file. Now what we have to do, select all, and now go to the home tab. Here we will take the 8. Font size will be 8. I have taken font size 8 here. Now as you can see, in every page we have this file name. Okay, file path is given over here at the footer section, and the page number is not given, so we will insert the page number also. So what we have to do, we have to go in. Firstly we will press the tab. We will take the tab over here to the right position, then from here. Now header and footer section, header and footer, then quick parts, and again in field. Now we will click the P. When we press the P alphabet, the page option will come over here. Page, select the page, whichever you want to take. You can take first, second, third, this one, anyone. I'm going to take this one. Select OK. So here is the page number first, here is the page number second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, and so on, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you have to do? Select the font size 8, not less than this, 8. So, and click the outer side on the page, click, it will be here. See here, you can select the margin also. Here it is. Double click on this footer section, double click, we will come again in the footer section, and see here, this is the, make it less, okay, over here. Now here, now you can see we have footer file path at the footer side. So this is the process how we can add the file path in Microsoft Word. I hope you got it. Have a good day.